Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to install a Hills Everyday retractable clothesline. In this video, we're actually installing a 4-line, but they do come in 6 lines and the process is the same. So the first thing you need to do is take the end covers off because this exposes the 2 holes, one on each side. You then need to buy some fasteners which are suitable to your wall and then drill the holes accordingly to the width of the clothesline. And make sure you put a washer on your bolt because that will ensure a secure installation. Once you've done that, you then get the end caps and you put them back in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Just keep going. You got to sort of bash the back. So when you install the clothesline, put it 50 to 100 millimeters above the person's head who's going to use it most. In addition to this, take into account that the clothesline will actually sag. The more you pull it out, the more the line will sag in the middle. This is just a factor of the retractables and there's nothing you can do to stop it. Although you do tension the line, it will still sag. So this is a real key element to take into account when you're installing the retractable clothesline. So now the clothesline's installed, there's 2 key points to note. First of all, when you install it, you'll need to pull the bar out and pull it out full length several times. This just allows the cords to adjust themselves to be nice and even. The second part is the brake. So once the cord comes out and you insert it into the receiving bracket, which we'll discuss shortly, you then put the brake on, and you do that by lifting this up and engaging it like so, and that locks the cord in position, as you can see. And to release it prior to allowing it to retract, you simply take the brake off and allow it to retract nicely like that. And that's all that's required in terms of tuning it when you first put it in and operating it via the brake. So once the head unit's installed, it's time to install the receiving bracket. Now you receive this with the clothesline. Purpose of this is to accept the bar from the clothesline. You install this to either a post if you're going from a wall to a post, or on a wall, depends how your installation is going to be. So how this works is once it's fastened in place, you pull the bar out of your clothesline and you insert it like so, and it just holds your bar in position until you release it. And just like with the clothesline, install it at the same height so that the cord is basically nice and level at each end. So that's all that's required when you install a Hills Everyday Folding Retractable Clothesline. So I hope this has helped you. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.